Hello, sunshine lovers! Did you know that sunflowers are more than just pretty faces turning towards the sun? Today, I'm diving into 10 amazing and lesser known facts about this golden beauty that will blow your mind. So, let's brighten up your day with some sunflower secrets. Sunflowers track the sun. Yes, that's true. Sunflowers track the sun, but only when young. Young sunflowers exhibit heliotropism, turning their heads from east to west as the sun moves, but once mature, they stop moving and permanently face east. Sunflowers can be over 30 feet tall. While most sunflowers are around 5 to 12 feet, the tallest sunflower ever recorded reached a whopping 30 feet 1 inch in Germany. Sunflowers also clean up toxic waste. These incredible plants have been used in phytoremediation to absorb toxic materials like lead, arsenic, and even radiation from the soil, including around Chernobyl and Fukushima. Sunflowers are not just one flower. They are not just one flower. What looks like a single bloom is actually a collection of up to 2000 tiny flowers. Each petal is called a ray floret and the center is packed with disc florets. Sunflowers also produce a natural pesticide. Sunflowers can produce substances that inhibit the growth of other plants around them, a phenomenon known as allelopathy, and even repel certain pests. Now, the most colorful fact is they come in more than yellow. While yellow is iconic, sunflowers also bloom in red, orange, purple, and even white varieties. Do you know there is a sunflower galaxy? Yes, there is an actual sunflower galaxy M63 named after the flower because of its swirling petal-like arms in space. The next fact is related to maths. Sunflower seeds are arranged in such a way that maximize seed packing. Sunflower oil is sacred. Native Americans used sunflower oil for cooking, skincare, and in spiritual rituals long before it became a cooking staple in other countries. Sunflower symbolizes ambition, healing, lofty thoughts, opportunity, spiritual attachment. Sunflowers are a global symbol. Beyond happiness and positivity, sunflowers are symbols of peace, loyalty, and hope, and are used in many cultural and political movements. So my dear friends, if you learned something new about sunflowers today, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your plant-loving friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more nature wonders. Stay sunny and see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care.